Dover Shop. If you caught last week's video of the black coupe with the Coyote swap that we have fired up, it does need a tune because it is running a Gen 2 truck engine with Gen 1 Mustang cams, a Boss 302 intake manifold, and a Gen 1 PCM. So, of course, it needs tuned. So, we are going to take this car up to Daryle with Wengerd Performance, the same gentleman that tuned my car, and we're going to let him work his magic with that car and get it tuned. Hopefully, we'll be getting it back next week. That's what I'm hoping for. And hopefully be putting it on the dyno and seeing what it puts down. And we will be dynoing at 412 Dyno in Parsons, Tennessee. And if you're local, go check out that dyno. I'll put the information down in the description for that dyno. But if you're around the West Tennessee area, go check them out. It is a Mustang dyno. Yes, it reads 12-13% lower, but you know, dyno jets can also read higher. So, I mean, you know, at least you know in a Mustang dyno that if your car puts that down, you're making that horsepower. Like my car put down 678, and without a doubt, with the trap speed and everything else, it's making that horsepower to the wheels. So, but guys, we are headed over to Dover Shop, so I'll see you there. They have got the car all loaded up and ready to go. Alright guys, since last week's video, when we was out at Dover has been busy. He's got the engine back in and he's got the SSP car running. So he's gonna fire it up for us.
Got the exhaust done.
Oh. Oh yeah, got a little choppy chop.
Tailpipe, man.
Oh yeah, sounds great. Guys, Mr. Hanky did sell, but it sold to a local guy that we all know, so you will be seeing that from time to time on the channel. Phillip is out here, Alex is out here, and we are taking his black car. All right guys, we are here dropping off the car. Gonna get this thing tuned. Alright guys, Dover is working on this for a customer of his, basically getting the car back running. Little 4-eyed T-top here. Alright guys, it's the next day. Yesterday it started raining over at Jeremy's and I was on the drag pack with the ET Street R's, and I decided to go ahead and head out. I didn't know how bad the rain was going to get, so instead of getting stuck and chancing driving in heavy rain, I went ahead and headed out. Got home and really didn't get anything else the rest of the day. So today it's still raining off and on, but I decided to go over at Phillip's. He is installing a gt350 intake manifold on his car with a Pmas intake, so I decided to go over there and check that out. So that's where I'm headed right now. I'm in the wife's car, of course, but I'm headed over there right now to check it out. So guys, we'll see you there. I got the 15 to 17 intake manifold off and getting everything prepped up in here for the gt350 manifold. He got his stock injectors out because he did have an E85 tune in it from Lund. So he wants to keep the E85 tune, so we are putting 47-pound injectors in there. Here's a gt350 intake manifold. He is using a stock throttle body with the VMP adapter. So he's getting the 47-pound injectors all ready to go in. You gonna lube them up?
No, I'm gonna get it a good old wet.
Alright guys, so there's one thing I wanted to point out about this if you're putting a gt350 intake manifold on your car, is these two connectors right here to go to the IMRC's solenoids. They are tucked in right here into this harness, and they come out and they're taped together. What you have to do is you have to cut the conduit right here and pull the wire through, and then you have to separate the wires and then retape them up because they're going to come up higher and to click into the new IMRC solenoids on the gt350 intake manifold. But guys, if you want to watch this whole build on this car, go check out Phillip's channel. He created a new channel called Speed Junkie. Go check him out. I'll put a link down in the description. But he's going to document the whole build on this car. Right now, he's going to do GT350 intake manifold, E85. We will be putting oil pump gears in soon. But basically, he's going to take it as far as he can in A without going long tube headers, because he is planning on doing turbos in the future, and that is just counterproductive to put long tube headers on. So he's going to go the full route, and then here in the future, he will be going twin turbo. So I'm highly looking forward to that. But guys, go check his channel out. Give him some support, and he's going to be bringing y'all some videos also. And he will still be appearing on my videos from time to time.
It's going to be epic. I'm just going to be me. You're either going to love me or hate me.
That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's what you... Well, that's the same way I am.
Yeah.
You know, I am who I am. You either love me or you hate me, and, you know, hopefully you enjoy my footage that I bring you.
I love it.
But, guys, he did... if you watched my video where we was doing a few pulls in my car, he drove my car, and we talked about him hitting deer. He did damage... he hit a deer. Well, a deer hit him. Either way you want to look at it. But damaged the front bumper, the fender, the door, and the rear quarter.
And the mirror.
And the mirror. And what they done, they replaced the bumper, headlight, fender, door, and mirror, and then repaired the rear quarter. And they did a pretty good job on the rear quarter. It looks really, really good. I've looked at it, and I cannot really tell anything. So, Phillip, you ready to get this thing on?
Yeah, I'm ready to get everything on and go make some test hits in Mexico.
All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. We got Phillip going on with the intake manifold.
Let's draw these out of the way first.
Yeah, remember you want to plug them white ones in. This is what I was talking about with the connectors. On this intake, this intake is shorter, but on this intake, the connectors are right here and right here. On the GT350, they are way up here, and the intake is a little taller, and they are right up here. So if you do not cut and pull out the wire like we showed you, they will not reach. So just a heads up right there, guys. But he got it set on there, and we're about to put the bolts in and torque everything down. Won't be long, we'll be firing it up, guys. And he does have a Pmas cold air intake we were putting on this car. So Cody!
What's up, dog?
Alright guys, we got the GT350 intake manifold on, got everything torqued down. We're ready to put the Pmas cold air intake on.
It's a Pmas.
How do you say it?
Pmas. Pmas.
Pmas.
Pmas.
Pmas.
It's a Pmas. It's a big Pmas.
Alright guys, so we got the bracket on that relocates the degas bottle over a little bit so you get clearance for the Pmas intake.
Pmas! It's Pmas, God!
Yeah, so we got the Pmas intake installed, the degas bottle moved over, and he's hooking the battery back up, and he is going to load the tune up and fire this thing up. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.